Hey guys, Nelson here, okay, and today I'm just going to give you some quick highlights. This is just a video for you to show you on how you're going to starting your affiliate marketing business in a successful way. Okay, this is not some BS out there which does not show you how to start it. Okay, what you need, I'm going to show you what you really need to start in out your affiliate marketing in a way that you can scale up. This here I'm talking about for people who have a budget. If you don't have a budget, I suggest you either go to my channel. There's a ton of video for you to start in making money with affiliate marketing without even have any budget in place. So for me, for this video, I'm just going to show you what you need to have successful online business, especially in affiliate marketing, without you even creating a product. This here, I'm not talking about creating product. If you go with the creating a product, then of course you also going to need this type of tools. Okay, so for everybody, either advanced, first of all, what you need is a traffic. Okay, traffic is one of the best way for you to making money online. Sorry, my hands right is pretty bad. Okay, so let's call this TRI traffic. Okay, a visitor to your website. Another thing which you need is either you need a domain name. Okay, another thing which you need is a hosting. Okay, let's call this a hosting. Another one which you need is a page builder. You can use it, or if you have all of this, it can help you also to create in page builder. But if you want to go to an advanced way, you can go with another page builder out there, which is also cost you some money. Okay, another thing which you need is an autoresponder. Okay, if you have all of this, okay, if you have all of this, guys, then you have a successful business. Okay, all of that is all what you need. So when you come to talking about traffic, there is a paid way and a free way. Okay, let's call it a P as a paid way and a free way. Okay, so for a paid way is easily for you to scale up. You can grow really quickly in a short time of period. But for free way, it's going to take you time to start in, either to scale up real quick. Okay, so if you go with the paid way as an affiliate marketer, then you can scale up real quick. So free way here, we're talking about if you have an audience, you have a social media out there, you have a Twitter, which you have building a cool audience which relating to what you promote as an affiliate marketer, then that is a cool way for you to go. If you have Instagram, which already grow, you have a TikTok right now, it's grow, you have a Pinterest which grow, then all of those are free way. YouTube, of course, if you're just starting out, I suggest as a beginner, go through YouTube, we starting review product. Even if you don't show your face, that is faceless. Okay, it's pretty too good for you to go. Even though if you are a beginner, you don't have anything, you don't have a budget for all of this. Okay, if you don't have a budget for all of this, but I already say all of this is if you want to succeed, to have a successful online business, for you to say I have a business, then you need all of this. Otherwise, if you don't, you only have a traffic here, but traffic is somehow come and go, it's not going to be a business. But if you have all of this, then this is a business. Okay, autoresponder, we call it, this is for email marketing, where you collecting email, and then at the end of the day you building your email listing. That is what asset as Amazon always do. They collect email for every person who purchased, and then later on they send an email to suggest another thing which that person who purchases that thing in Amazon, they can buy. So they send you another email to suggest another product for them to even making more money. So that's where email is always in place. As you can see, recently I see a lot of I say a mall out there. Okay, when you go and buy something, they tell you leave your name and the email, phone, and the I think email and them. Okay, all of those three things for sometimes, so that later on they can even just follow up with you, or sometime if you return, they have your all information. But all of those are just in for the database for them to build the something, a reputation for their customer, and continue giving value to the customer. Always customer is one of the important things. So this here is for Autoresponder, and I'm always like to recommending for you to starting out with the tool. Don't go with the free Autoresponder later on or a one time. I see a lot of market out there, they promoting Autoresponder, which can cost just one time payment. All of those have a downside of it, so I don't suggest it for you to go with a one-time payment. That's why there's a recurring payment for Autoresponder, which is good and have a good reputation and a lot of customer. Okay, so for you to go with a free Autoresponder, example MailChimp, okay, it's free for a certain, I think for, I don't know about how many subscribers you need to have, about 1,000, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000. But there's a bad side of for MailChimp. They don't like either affiliate marketing, they don't like it spamming. So at the end of the day, you're going to lose a lot. And if you already build your email list through MailChimp, then when you lose, they just close your account or they let you know, then you can go with your own way. That's how free sometimes it's going to cost you later on. Another one I call it is MailLit. Okay, that is one of the Autoresponder. I use it, but I think that is for of course they can store a huge list, but if you have a customer, that is a good way. If you have already have a product, then you can go with MailLit. But if you're just starting out, okay, and you thought maybe let me go to check on MailLit and sign up with them because they collect email list for free, huge list, you can build with them for free. At the end of the day, it's not recommended. If you have a product you already sell, then those people who purchase, you can then put them in a mailing list. They always like that way for people to build, rather than you to start in spam, sending out email every single day. They want starting to asking question. We don't like it. People sending either affiliate link through using our platform. That's what at the end of the day it is. So for me, I'm suggesting go with Aweber. Okay, Aweber, which I use. I'll put the link below so that for you to see how it's working. I also have a ton of tutorial on how to set up Aweber and connect to a landing page. I'll put also the playlist for Aweber tutorial. Another one is you can use is Getresponse. So you can start out for 30 days free trial. Both of these are 30 days free trial, which you can use them for just in when you're starting out. Okay, so when you come to a page builder for starting out, I can say if you don't have a huge budget, you cannot go to ClickFunnel. Okay, this is what we call it, ClickFunnel, because it's somehow it's costing about 96, I think, per month. Okay, cannot go with this. Okay, but Aweber right now it's starting about 17 bucks, I think. I don't know, I don't remember, because right now I have a huge listing and I pay about 49, about 100 right now I'm paying, because my list is huge, so it's over 10,000 people. Okay, so I'm paying more. If you go with Getresponse, I think it's 17 bucks. Aweber is 19. Okay, yeah. Okay, Aweber is just in 19 bucks. Okay, Getresponse is 17. Okay, that's how it is. I don't know if they rise it, because right now, back in the day, I was using Getresponse, but there's a problem with them. Okay, somehow in some way, so I just go out Getresponse have one problem. Let me say it so that everybody can go, can be in the same page. So I used to send out email, so almost all those email end up in spam. Then I confront them and I told them almost a year. Okay, so just imagine you pay something monthly for a year, and all of the email which you send, they are going to spam. Okay, can you imagine what is the pain of that? That is something which I don't like. Then I confront them and tell them they put me in the bad IP address. Okay, I give them the good reason why the bad IP address. Okay, so if you want to know on how to know if a certain autoresponder or what you're using or your domain name is going to, when you send out email, is going to spam, then go and check out the video which I show you on how to know if either Getresponse like a web also, if when you every time you send out an email it's going to spam. Okay, some of the reason I already say it can either be the IP address in which this company use or your domain name. Okay, so go and check out on how to determine on the siding of a Weber and Getresponse if they put you in a bad IP, which almost end up with bad deliverability of your email. So just go and check out that video. Also, I want to say so page builder, you can either go with the ClickFunnel, but if you just start, you don't have a budget for this. But if you want to scale up real quick, then ClickFunnel is the way for you to go. I have also ton of video out there about ClickFunnel tutorial. I'll try and put link in the description so that you're going to get value. Otherwise, you're going to pay. If you're going somewhere, you're going to pay for all the training which I provide here. So also, before you leave, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, but don't leave yet, because I'm still going to show you other cool stuff. Okay, so as you can see, our page builder is ClickFunnel, okay, which I already say I have a ton of video from even sign up to even set up your account, set up billing, even starting create your landing page, even creating your thank you page, even connecting ClickFunnel and Weber or Getresponse so that you can collect the leads when people landing, when this traffic go to your page, okay, to your landing page. Okay, if you're using ClickFunnel, okay, if you're using ClickFunnel, there's no need for you to using either to buy a domain or hosting. Okay, but if you want to go, because ClickFunnel, they hosting all of the thing from them, and also I can say their website is little speed when you compare to hosting on a shared hosting of other company out there. Even though I'm using Blue Hosting as a hosting, but if you just starting out, you can just go and buy ClickFunnel, okay, for monthly payment, and then you can creating your page here, you can hosting everything in ClickFunnel. You don't need to have a different hosting. It's no need for domain. Okay, so if you want to have a customized domain with ClickFunnel, then you can buy just a domain and then link it out in ClickFunnel for you to creating your own page, and every time when people type your website, it's going to be you. Otherwise, it's going to, when you come to ClickFunnel, if you don't have a domain, even a hosting, it's going to be a default ClickFunnel, and also just your name and .clickfunnel.com/ either opt-in or thank you page, whatever. Okay, so you can skip all of this just for go to ClickFunnel. Okay, you can skip domain and hosting, but if you don't want ClickFunnel, okay, you can still go buy a domain and hosting. So a place which I buy a domain is called the namesilo. Okay, namesilo, which I also put a link down below for you to go, because here there is going to pay less, okay, for a domain register, less $10. Okay, just that, less than $10 for domain register, compare with other domain register like GoDaddy, Namecheap, which is cost you more. Okay, so namesilo is always fixed, and that is the amount you're going to pay every here for less, just less $10. Okay, it's all about $9 and something. Okay, hosting, you can go with the Blue Hosting. I'll also put a link down below if you want to go with that. Okay, so I also have a training on Blue Hosting. I have a training on how to buy namesilo. Wow, I have a lot of training for free out there. Okay, if you want to go and check that out, then it's cool. Okay, how to buy a domain. If you can decide even to go on YouTube and type in how to buy a domain name through namesilo, I think I'll pop up. Definitely I'll going to be pop up. Okay, then also Blue Hosting on how to set up everything, connect to our WordPress. Okay, everything here you're going to find it inside the, I think I have a linky on how to building your WordPress site with Blue Hosting. So guys, I have a lot of training on my own, so just go and if you want to succeed online, that's why I say if you want to succeed, just follow this channel. Okay, there's some pretty good and amazing training here which you're going to set up everything in one place. There's nothing for you to start go and searching either in YouTube, go on Google, go in Facebook or whatever. No, or buy this course about WordPress, or buy this about traffic, or buy this about Autoresponder, or buy this about page builder. No, this channel is going to give you everything you need. You can just ask in the comment below, and like this video and you want to know about this, then I'll point you to the right video. So that's how valuable this channel is, okay, for CPA and affiliate marketing. So everybody, if you succeed, you succeed. That's how exchange when you come to online. Okay, so make sure that you go through that. Also for the traffic guys, so if you set up everything here correctly, then it's just a matter for you to start in sending traffic to your page and then to your thank you page, which I also have a ton of video. Make sure that you go below. I have a free training on affiliate marketing on show you on how to set up everything. Okay, everything. So just go below and click that link here, and then go and sign up for all of the things. So this is how successful business is being created. Okay, so not everything is free. Sometimes you pay for some other things for you to start in scaling and making money more online. So guys, if you want to know how to have such a high converting offer, I think I have a link out there. You can go and check it out. Go to my channel, you can check out everything in one place. So thank you so much guys. Hope that you learn something from this video, and peace.
Okay, bye.